Hey, Buzzy Fuzz here. Listen up. I got a knocking sound in the Jeep. I have a pretty good idea of what it is. I've done some research on the tube. Done a little reading, but with my mechanical background, kind of scared me at first, but I think I got it figured out. I'll let you hear it now, and then I'm gonna fix it, and then I'll come back at you and let you hear it afterwards, and we'll see if I had chosen it. Come along. Alright, it's just starting to do it now as the thermostat opens. Well, no knock. No knock. It was the water pump. And it had a little bit of play in the shaft. And I gotta tell you, I ordered it off, was it Rock Auto, I think. It was just some random brand. DAW or MAD or something, but not even 2,000 miles on it. And, it was making a random knock. It sounded a lot like a rod knock, so it's all better now. Now I'm just checking for leaks. A couple spots on the driveway from last night. It may just be some residual antifreeze, even though I did take it to be greased and clean at the car wash last night. Anyway, just so you know, out of the millions of my engines making a noise on the 4-liter Spectrum, it wasn't what I thought at first either. So don't overlook your water pump. And I'm telling you, like I said, it had maybe a 1/16 of an inch of clay in the shaft, and you can still feel the seal was good, everything wasn't leaking or anything. So before you diagnose any knock sounds just by watching YouTube or listening to forums, take the belt off and start it and listen, see if it goes away. Because that'll tell you quite a bit. Thanks. See you on the next one.